Hi, I'm Gary Crosby, Marketing Manager here at Crosby Volkswagen. Welcome to the Crosby Rewards Program, our way of saying thanks for being part of the Crosby VW family. For almost 60 years, we've built our business around one simple idea: treat people the way we'd want to be treated. Crosby Rewards is our way of turning that into something fun, easy, and rewarding, literally. Every time you visit us, your Crosby Reward card earns you points that can be redeemed on your next vehicle purchase and exclusive milestone gifts. Redeem as much as $2,000 off the purchase of your next new or used vehicle, or share your points with a friend or family member. You'll start with 50 points just for joining. Come to a Crosby Care Clinic and you get another 50 points. Have your service, prepaid maintenance performed, or complete a warranty repair, that's 25 more points each time. Simple as that. The rewards start adding up. It's a little thank you from us every time you stop by, because at Crosby Volkswagen, we're not just about great cars, we're about great people too. So visit crosbyvw.com under Crosby Rewards to learn more.
Crosby Volkswagen.